All right, so I'm in my backyard here, and that was Jack leaving the frame. He's my photo assistant. And this is my little rock garden I have here with flowers coming out. And I wanted to shoot the chicks and hens because one is flowering here. Now, I usually have a nice big group of chicks and hens here, but over the winter time, they've died off for some reason. But one is flowering, and these flowers are really tiny. I mean, the size of my thumbnail, really, really small. So with the standard macro lens, I wouldn't be able to fill the frame with it. So I added on the NiSi filter, close-up filter, which will take my 1:1 Tamron 90mm lens to 2:1. So it'll double the magnification. And that allows me to get in really close and fill the frame with that small, tiny flower. Now I've got the rail on here, the NiSi rail, and I started out where I was a little bit closer, and I found out I was too close, couldn't get the focus. It was in the minimum focusing distance inside. So I was able to back it up, crank it back, and get my framing the way I wanted it, and get into that area where I can get focus. Now, one problem with shooting at 2:1 magnification is, of course, we lose a lot of depth of field. And this flower has a lot of depth from the very front to the down inside. So I'm not gonna get everything totally in focus, even at the highest f-stop, which I'm gonna shoot f64. But I'll get most of it in focus. And with some sharpening and post-processing, I'll get it sharpened up. Now, a lot of photographers, when they get into higher magnification, would go into focus stacking, where they're going to shoot multiple shots throughout this image and focus at different focus points to get more depth of field. But I'm going to try to do this with one shot. So again, I've got it framed up and it's working pretty good. I've got the focus set. Got my exposure set. And we'll check it. It looks good. All right, so a lot of fun when you start to get into the 2:1 magnification. You get into really small stuff. I got really tiny flowers in here, and so I'm going to do a lot of fun with fun stuff with this lens added on to my Tamron 90mm to get into places where I wouldn't get with my normal lens. So really, really nice little flower, and I think it's going to come out pretty good.